Great day, everyone. First and foremost, I am Francesca Luis Magduaninas. I am a grade 10 student, and I'm here with my partner. I am actually Jamie D. Azani. So, great day. We've planned this business plan, which is the use of food waste as fertilizer, because we want our project to be environmental friendly and recyclable. Our business proposal is about utilizing waste wood as fertilizer through composting, which is a sustainable practice that benefits both agriculture and the environment. By recycling food scraps and organic materials, we reduce landfill waste and provide nutrients for healthier plant growth. Composting waste wood enriches soil fertility, improve soil structure, and reduce reliance on chemical fertilizers. This practice supports resilient farming, promotes local food systems, and aligns with principles of environmental stewardship. Harnessing waste wood as fertilizer offers a practical solution for building sustainable and equitable food systems while mitigating environmental degradation. So again, we planned this business proposal because we wanted our project to be economic friendly, environmental friendly, and can be used or can be created by everyone. So as you can see, our product comes from the foods, and after we eat or after we use the fruits, it becomes a scraps and the compost and then the fertilizer itself. So as you can see, it is easy and most of the materials of it can be found in our household. So we are not just promoting our product in this case, we are also using our platform to raise an awareness for everyone that still everyone, even if you're still a youth or even if you're still an adult, you can use this to have a big positive impact in our environment. Our product is certified and organic and healthy when it comes to our environment. And we're now going to proceed to the what are the benefits that we can get by buying our product or by using or by creating this. So first and foremost is the nutrient recycling. When it comes to this, we are recycling our product because it comes from the natural state itself. As we all know, some of the sayings, most of the or all of the foods most of the vitamins of them is in the skin itself or in the peels itself. So when we're using those peel itself and creating it as a fertilizer, we are making our plant more healthier. So when it comes to nutrient recycling, we are just recycling the plants itself to have healthier or healthy fertilizer. Soil enrichment, we are, as what I've said, most of the or all of the fruits and vegetables are enriched when it comes to vitamins and nutrients. So when we're going to use it as a fertilizer, it is a mixture or it is we're making sure that the soil or the fertilizer itself is already rich in vitamins and other nutrients. Cost saving, like what I've said earlier, most of the materials that are used in this project of ours can be seen in any household, or most of them are affordable. So it is affordable and can be buy in any store or it can be seen in our household. Water reduction, like what I've said earlier, our product or when using this or when creating this project of ours, the plants or the fertilizer itself is already rich in the vitamins and other nutrients. So there are no, it can reduce upon watering the plants itself because the fertilizer itself is already rich in those vitamins. Circular economy, it is just like an example of when the banana tree rip a banana, instead of throwing those scraps away or instead of throwing the banana peel away on the trash cans, we can use it or we can recycle it and use it as a fertilizer. And carbon sequestration, like what I've said earlier, our plan or our business proposal is organic. So it can have no harm in the environment. It can reduce the harm upon the environment, not just in the environment, but the farmers as well. And soil health, we can ensure that the soil itself is healthy because the fertilizer itself comes from the healthy ingredients. Sustainable agriculture, it is most of the materials that are used is organic and mostly seen by in everywhere, especially the main ingredient, which is the food waste or the fruits and vegetable scraps. Community engagement, this type of project of ours can also engage or can also promote unity when it comes to community. They can unite all the people in the community to join this project of ours to create a big impact, big positive impact in our environment. Because our product or our project promotes a natural or organic thing that can have a big positive impact in our environment and can produce no harm upon the people and the plants as well. And organic certification, we can certify you that our product is organic because of our ingredients or the materials that has been used. So we're now going to proceed in terms and conditions about our product. When it comes to limited warranty, when selling, it can have only 2 weeks upon making sure that the product has no defect or any minor inconvenience. When But after 2 to 3 weeks, or after the 2 weeks, we are not liable anymore. Return period, when the customer do have any complaint about the product, they can approach us in a formal way or in a professional way, and we can communicate them upon the return. And when we already prove that our product itself do have a defect or any minor or major inconvenience upon it, we can send them or we can give them the return process, or we can refund or give them another product of us. Proof of purchase, as of now, it is widely known that customer can send pictures or can send videos upon the product that our product do have a defect. So we can ensure that our product also already have a defect. It can also build a trust between the producer and the consumer itself upon this proof of purchase. Inspection and determination, exclusions. When it comes to exclusions, the warranty does not cover by use of misuse or being abused by the customer itself. We are not liable upon that. Limitation of liability. As producers, we have limitation upon our product when it already been used by the customers. We are not liable for any incidental or any damages arising from the use of inability of use of product. And modification of terms, we reserve the right to modify, or we have the right to communicate to the customer about our product or any inconvenience about our product, just in a nice way or just in a professional way. However, if we don't have any notified, or we don't have any messages upon to the customers, the customers do have the right to call us on the social medias. So by implementing this warranty policy, we aim to provide our customers with peace of mind, and we build our trust upon our customers while also ensuring the integrity of our products. Again, in conclusion, we are not just promoting our product, we are also giving an awareness to everybody that it can be created by even youths and adults to have a big impact or big positive impact in our environment. That is all. Thank you.